This looks like fall. My son is way down there on his scooter. We made it to the top. Beautiful evening. I know, you got bugs on you?
I think we're going to punch some bugs.
I know, I had one get on me too, man.
I think one went in my...
Ew. You ate a bug for an appetizer. Now it's time to go downhill. Where's Canes? Down there? That boy hungry. People need to get outside more, man. Especially during the fall. Nature is nice. Look at it. Look at that. Looks so nice.
Nature.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Take off. Sky.